The name of the program, Good Morning from Benin, they reach you from independent television. No be news again, say so many things they happen. As we say, election don't they come for a do when concern governor or for time when we say no go take again. So many things they have to say. Somebody contact and say the way it be, it's in a one day, one drama. And they can't tell me one thing again, say when movie don't they come to an end. See that time I be say it's in the tough way. They don't reach the last fight. That's how I be say where they go. So we come out for all of this when we say they happen. Now what will be the role of Edo youth for inside the 2020 governorship election? I be say want to look because before today and different thing I be say yes, say youth that they do when we say election don't reach. So to talk this matter through with us, now be our friend and brother Joseph Bali. Welcome to our program.
Thank you very much.
I greet you. And we get our friend and brother here, Bright Onaiwu. Welcome to our program, Bright.
Thank you very much.
I greet you. The one I tell you is talk this. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Unless we know you speak grammar here,
yes,
we speak the one we say all of us feel understand,
yes,
and all of that. Election don't they come now? Primary, they don't do screening, different kind of result. I follow screening. The screening can born different children now, and the rest for APC and the PDP they do their own. They don't do their own finish. And PDP they still say they want to do the main primary for time when we say no go take, but they first do their first screening. You understand? So I want to find out from us now, my brother. I take from you, Bright, to make them bright as it go reach. How you see the Edo youth for all of this thing?
Well, thank you. Edo youth, generally, they get serious role to play as they don't face the player. Because you get one slogan where they talk, say, that youth might get election. As a youth, I remember one of my own at that time, he always they tell us when my days then, when I just start my own political life. He said, be a responsible youth. So that's all about how they talk that time. So, youth are supposed to be responsible. Because election, like what you concern everybody. If you see when they read budget every year, all those money they put, not the government they go to, most of them are people they go to.
Yeah.
So the policies what government they make, young people are supposed to benefit past, particularly those who are creative. Whether you go school, you don't go school, you be lecturer, you be civil servant, you learn trade. You find as a government policies, they affect us. So youth, when we say you still get energy, now you're supposed to tap into this kind government way one call or how government they evolve. Now you're supposed to tap into so that you will feel benefit from any government way one call. So youth, if you look at now they even get the highest work to do to make sure say better government come to power.
But what would they see for among youths? Now be say yes, I come to you, my brother Joe. What they say among you now be say election don't come, go cause wahala for somewhere, go carry ballot box, go turn print, go do different kind of things and the rest. So, this is what we say yes, the election don't they come now for Edo State. What do you expect from the Edo youth? I mean, they still carry on what did they do before to the snatch buses be and so it go be, no be so it go be.
My brother, you see, this issue of election violence, it don't tell when they do one.
Okay.
But sometimes, me, I they really, because the major people when these things, or when they do these things when they talk, so now people when they between our age bracket when they call youth.
Yeah.
But for us, is that the youth get serious role to play in making sure, or to make sure say, person when one govern them, person when one lead them, must always be somebody person when they go fit present, somebody when they go fit look up to, somebody when no go tell them say, okay, you must go snatch ballot box, you must go do this, you must go do this. I believe say now young people suppose take charge of election process. Take charge of election process, not be to go take ballot paper, to go thief ballot box. You want to make sure say sanity dey the system, to make sure say you vote.
I'm sorry to talk about sanity and all kind of thing. Now, last night when we did for television, now be say they could talk all of those things. And the one we don't work out come out now. A different thing now be say this now what leader say leader don't talk about, and leader say go do this one and all of that. that leader say and wetin dey for your mind, which I'm supposed to follow?
The problem na say one of the things wey the leader take dey say wey make the youth also dey follow na because of unemployment.
Okay.
Na because of the fact say a man go fit live with little, but a man no go fit live with nothing. Now if we wan discuss this matter extensively, we go first start who be youth.
No, we don't just carry on like this.
Now because for Nigeria now, the set of people wey even because I dey always dey tell them, because one of the philosophers say the penalty for not participating in politics say you will be governed by an inferior. And one of the problems be say our youth, the only time wey dem dey come out na during election. And election no be end. Election na means
to the end. Okay.
So all of these things we suppose start am as youth. Why you see say the thing dey dey violent now na because say the beginning we no dey first dey start am well, and youth no dey participate from the beginning. That's why e be say you go come dey see say leaders go say go do this, because if you take am back as I dey now, my age group, e go dey difficult for them to come tell me now say okay go do so and so, knowing fully well my kind of person. All these things go back to wetin be your own upbringing. Your upbringing na dey define how you go take grow for society. Like wetin my brother talk about being a responsible youth.
Okay.
Now the responsible youth, now they also they become a responsible leader, and now the responsible child, now they become a responsible youth. So all these things get to do with our value system and how our parents they bring us up.
No, you see what they happen now, Bryce. We don't see movements. You understand? And they shake the table, so to speak. Now, different things they happen. The governor will be say for the states now. He can't talk and say he come from APC rather than the back of APC to become governor. But he can't like say the way they take shooter for the screening exercise. Say no, like and so they screen her out. That it don't even come up for the political party where BCA say bring her now. Where he won't go, we never know. If I told they hear different kind of things, he never conscious say yes, this now where they go. Never come back and talk and say that where BCA they go. In this time where be like say yes, they say ask this kind of movement the day now, because I know say in talk and say he go contest for one political party. You know, sometimes say yes, he get where he they go, or maybe say they look at the political party before you know the one BCA go enter. You understand? So if they go there, people, youth go follow and go like that. This time, our youth no fit say this na my choice. Make I dey here, make I follow am, or maybe yes, let me follow him because say yes, wetin they do, or no, na the same this party now day before. Let me stay to build a party, or you know, go fit make your own decision.
Yes, they're supposed fit, but the guy one people say you cannot give what you don't have.
Okay.
We have very, very responsible and vibrant youth. That is across board. But for political system, vibrant youth, not too many. They're there, but they're not too many. You get what they call different, like my brother talk about value. You get some. Now even the old man say some, they'll say they get some miscreant value. Nuisance value.
Nuisance value.
Now they share them, the politicians they share them. They say some get nuisance value. Some are clear-headed.
Okay.
That is the get sense.
Everybody get what they want, what
exactly.
Their role,
so
inside the matter.
The youth, now you want to determine, decide where you want to belong. You can choose to become those ones where be get nuisance value to some persons. You first decide, say me, that the one will get sense, where you want to grow, go up. Now the question is, how many they decide where you want to grow, go up, and how many they decide where you want to remain for the nuisance side? Now education comes in. You go agree with me, say book. No be small matter. I got one of my leader. He said when he start, he said one if you lead at that time, old man, he said come and say my son, if you continue like this, you go end up. They go to send you message. You go to do all this nyama thing. That man tell me say he said you don't reach like 20-something years. He said you can start from class 1. That time. He said so you can go to school. As I talk now, the person get master's degree. He's a leader now in the party. Now, somebody advise him, he follow. The point when I make me say education get very serious role to play for who you they become for life. He may not necessarily give you the money, but if you just say, I want to do this thing, education will help you. Our youth, because of the caliber of the youth where we dominate politics, a lot of them, let me use the word again, they are not enlightened. A lot. Even some way goes school, they are not enlightened. Because in the absence of enlightenment, you know go fit take good decision. If somebody tell me I go carry gun, I go hear the laugh. And nobody fit tell me, say go carry gun. Since I dey inside, I never carry gun. Now my head, I believe. You understand? But some, let us say leader. Before leader tell you say go carry gun, you know say you don't fit dey carry gun. So may we not blame our leaders. Let us blame ourselves.
Okay, make we still come back to this because I get one example when I draw now. When the governor went to say in they come out because they know like the way it be say they take cheater. They get the right to leave the political party. In this case, you know if you say yes, say other people say this man the way they take cheater, I not like him and the rest. You know if you reach this way some you say yes, say this are the road I want to follow now because this man. It maybe get what they do for us before. As a governor, see what I don't do. You expect us maybe will contest election from this political party. Now when they say yes, say you no go agree, they no agree, the screener come out. You know if you say yes, say some people still get the right to say yes, say no matter what. Because this one they do this man, so I get the right to follow on too.
Yes, I agree with you don't talk just now. The question say whether some youth not get right to follow the government. Yes, I know.
Like to follow anybody when they
yes.
follow.
Every youth get right to make choice.
Right.
Nobody feel collect that one from anybody because it's there for our constitution. So you get right to associate with anybody when you want to associate. So if you believe say wetin they do the governor, you not like him, and you want follow the governor, you also get right to follow the governor.
Okay.
It is simple. It just be like somebody. If as I did now, for me, I feel say wetin they do the governor, e not dey fair. So because of that, I go decide to.
What did they do the governor when no fair?
No, for the.
What did they do when you feel say?
No, when I feel say politics. And for me, politics should be on performance. Because they get one word, they say politics should be played pro bono publico, for the interest of the public.
Okay.
And for me, since when the governor dey, now the interest of Edo people, they always put first. I be party man, I be APC man before. You understand? But I understand.
You not be APC man again?
No.
Okay. So which party you come there now?
I see any party where the governor won't go now go follow.
Okay.
Because you know why? I dey talk am because of the little this thing. Even when I did the party, not be say the governor get wetin he don give me. You understand? Me sef I dey vex as a party man, but I no go allow the interest, my own personal interest, come override the interest of over 4 million Edo people.
Okay.
So because of that reason, now make I say I go support am. Not be because say he don do something for me personally, because on my personal level I no still dey happy. But I dey see the small things wey he dey do.
Okay.
You understand? And na so governance suppose be. If we see Edo now, we dey go to the next level. Edo dey move forward. Okay. At least Oshiomhole try. This man now, he dey consolidate on wetin Oshiomhole don do. Na so government suppose be. The sanity wey this man don bring, you understand? The sanity, at least today, everywhere dey very peaceful and calm. If not be this election wahala now wey dey come, when you see say crisis don dey go towards the last fight like we talk just now, say things don dey change. If not, Edo state don dey very peaceful and calm for us.
We'll go back to the screening, my brother, and the rest. What do you think about the screening of the governor and where he busy with dey now?
Thank you. You see, e get one word wey people dey use when I want quick draw attention to wetin dey do am. That word I no think say e fall in place.
Okay.
Not be wetin dey do am. Na wetin dey come, wetin dey evolve. I mean make I use that English. Wetin dey come up.
Okay.
Now we all see the screening. Professor dey, PhD holder dey, professor for law dey inside, another lawyer dey inside. You see the way they take constitute am. They are from different sector. For lecturers, law, and all those people wey you know wetin law talk about, na im do that screening. Now, the normal thing be say when you wan contest election, you go bring your papers wey you take go school. I know say if you want to go look for work for outside, you go still bring your paper. And most of the time they will tell you say come with originals. You get one way they school, one grammar they say for citing. Now this our guy went to that screening. He do what they call front loading for court. He carry all those photocopy, carry everything, go there. But in the course of the screening, his certificate, discharge certificate, they write Obasec for NYSC.
Okay.
They write Obasec. I know they.
The people say I know they.
That's the one where they show for everywhere. They show for TV. Now.
Okay.
The one when I get it, when they snap, I know they. They write down all the reasons. One, he did there. I know they. Two, he's saying do A level for ICE. At the end of the day, that result, that A level result, he not tender around. He not still conscious. They say the original. He not even tender the photocopy. He not bring the result. He say go ICE. As at the time when he enter school, he get 3 credits. Now they ask, how you come to enter school?
But university thought yes,
This is day. Most of the things they list.
But university I did say yes, it go.
Yes,
it go
I still a list.
So now the university now go determine the qualification person will take on read one course.
Wait now.
Because if you look at now, JAMB just come out now, they bring out a cutoff mark and the rest. So the thing they got before now they will bring out to 160
Wait
and
now,
the rest.
I they list the things when they do. Then on the other side, strictly politics. For the concern of APC, it get do's and don'ts. There are things where you don't feel do. When our government don't do. Matter day, the House of Assembly matter. The person calls that one. Party talk good to say, come, go inaugurate all members. All the members of the House of Assembly, they be from the same party. They inaugurate some for night. Some we hear for this time when they go business for one time when they sit down. At the end of the day, the party come enter. Say, come, my pikin, go and carry all this your brother, put them together. Up to today, it not happen. That's one. Then we will still know say some other things for the party. Wait time now, let me mention one by one now.
Nobody stop you now.
Okay, when the list, when His Excellency the Governor commit, then for you to, the first thing we say Bayelsa case. Once problem don't do your certificate.
The question I want to ask you now, because they see the election when they say together, not be the same papers, not be the governor first to do the last election.
Good.
Why they no see all of these ones there?
Wait
By the time BC first do the last election, when BC take out 2016.
Let me answer the question. Before now, before Bayelsa case, I tell you, screening now, Bubu Yaya. You bring your paper, they will select people from among your people. They not time where professor don't come to screen anybody now. Even president, professor not the screener. Now after this Bayelsa case, now everybody act not here. Now before, now Bubu Yaya, if you like me, you just say, Brad, come, I know say you go school. At the end of the day, I just carry everything, go there, let's do it. People will go there, you turn out, they'll hey, they'll say, okay, go, you go contest. Those things they happen before.
Okay.
But after this Bayelsa saga now, now they can't know say once the certificate get wahala, the party feel lose. Me I be APC man. When they remove that guy, they train for stadium. But the next day for
when they want to
inaugurate, they come and say, in fact, me will not be the election. Me I feel for the man. All of us will be party men. The national chairman of people, all the party stakeholders around the country feel for her, and na kind of very certain for the party. So it not go make sense. We can't let it happen again. If our guy, His Excellency Obaseki, first don't pass through, he said by providence. Let me use that word. Now God help him. But this time around, when we don't know say wahala dey, it will be very risky for APC to continue along that line.
Okay.
That is what me I think.
Okay, be like say you get what you want just talk. When you talk, I say you be like say you raise your hand up like small people ready for classroom. Now let you respond for this advice.
Like wetin my brother talk. You understand? You know say this thing when we dey talk now about na politics. You understand? He himself know say na politics. You know why they talk am?
Wait. But what did they talk no correct? No, wait, what did they talk no correct? So what it means you we see na politics? Let me say what politics they talk no the correct?
For Nigeria.
Okay.
The way they declare for Nigeria.
Exactly.
The way they declare for Nigeria.
Is that right?
He know what he said. He talk about say na professor na go screen this one. Na professor na go do this one. Even if na professor, what do you mean? Okay. The fact say you be professor, what he come in? Now I want to ask my brother. Because first, let us maybe put on table card for Nigeria. Now even professors now that they use to the rig election for Nigeria as we stand as at today now.
Okay.
Because first, I still remember the election when they do for House of Rep for Ovia Federal Constituency here. During Honorable Charity Anusan, now Professor changed
Charity Anusan.
Yes, now Professor changed 1,000 for Ugbogbo to 11,000. So the issue say now Professor do this now, it is a non-issue. It is a non-issue. You cannot bring that. It's only this one is about morality and interest. So if person when you see when they constitute that screening committee, even Comrade Adams Oshomole, they already felt us say in a Supreme Court, then na High Court abi Appeal Court. So if all those things don't dey, first of all, even for law, they say spirit for national justice. You dey involved, you are the interested party for case. Now you see constitute committee, and before now me and you know the problem with this governor and the national chairman, they don already dey get problem for the party. The issue when he raise again, he talk about House of Assembly issue. Yes, some of us not like say according to Ram, say the governor say make all of them come back. Say the party say make all of them come back. I say okay. Now you go first ask wetin the provision of the constitution talk about the inauguration. Whether you like am or not, a court of law don tell governor say do not issue another proclamation letter. E dey everywhere.
And the governor person maybe say they follow law.
No other court don fit dismiss that one. Okay. Secondly, our constitution for Nigeria say the governor shall proclaim. You know when you not tell am say whether na night or na day or na evening, e just be like for this state now. The constitution wetin happen that time when Oshomole na governor, the constitution give am the power to appoint a PS. But the constitution not tell us say the PS must come from civil service or it go come from market women. For this state, now they appoint Oloye as PS. Nothing happen. You understand? Nobody fought am because first, ordinarily, morally, you know say e dey wrong. But constitutionally, you know if you override the constitution, they need to give teeth to some prayers when they inside the constitution. Say okay, this thing if you say the governor go proclaim letter, they don't tell us say that your letter you must put say na 9 o'clock or na 10 o'clock or na 11 o'clock or na 12 p.m. All these things na problem wey we get for this same our constitution. Okay. So for me, I don't see anything when the governor don do when foul the constitution. But for morally, you feel say the thing not too right. See why they good one for now.
But the law, they support what he be saying.
Thank you.
Now they talk.
Now they try to talk too.
Okay. Right, they like the way we say it, they smile for all of this matter. Make we look at going forward now. The primaries of the political parties, they don't do one small. The Labour Party don't do their own. Some other political parties don't do their own. Even whether they call on the PDP go do their own very soon. They'll postpone until on the 23rd. Then APC go do their own a day before then, and all of that. Now, make we look at now. As the primary they come, now I say the election itself don't reach ground to take off and that kind of thing. Now, the Nigerian youth, we'll go back to that, we'll not forget the Nigerian youth now. When it comes time to choose the whether they call them the delegates for the election, whether direct or indirect or anyhow, we know they could see the youth there when they say they be part of the delegates. Now people they when they say they don't like say a party leader or see this one. What will be the criteria they use when they say youth when they perform well as part of the selecting process?
Okay, every party gets its own constitution. For APC, you get what they call statutory delegates. You get some depending on the decision of the National Working Committee, what they call the guidelines, now they determine all those things. For instance, if you say bring 3 people from local government along with the delegates, you get orgas with the local government. You get leadership structure. Before you can reach youth body, most of the time you don't go down. That's why you see say most of the time, like APC, they'll tell you say maybe 2 men, like for instance, they'll say 1 woman. You still get women leaders, you understand? So that's why you see say now all those our leaders who did the top, we get followers. Every youth is a follower. You learn politics, and maybe one mistake when youth they make It just be like say somebody wey don enter business, you dey see the person wey don buy house, wey don buy
You
jeep.
don't know what you go through.
You don't know what you go through. You want just to go buy the house, that jeep. Wetin dey make you to go dey do
Pour hand for where don't suppose to pour hand.
all those kind of things. Now you see the worry song for politics. You want enter, you don't enter politics, you want be leader. How you want to do am? The man when you come in, someone don't do 30 years, someone don't do 20 years, 25 years. You get what I'm saying? So you suppose get oga. You don't be come talk for where your oga dey say you want to go represent your local government where your oga dey. Now you will say oga you must go. You say that they consider am. So we say okay. Now the youth go dey mobilize for the oga.
So the youth no get role when we say go over place like it. Oh, say yes.
Wait, for delegate, for you, just understand the chain. Because when they discuss politics now, you be youth, you are a follower, you dey under oga. When they say bring one person, for instance, from a particular local government, the wise thing when you supposed to talk, say you go meet your oga, you suppose dey there. Or for instance, maybe the other way around, oga come look, say where they concern you, like also say, I go. I don't they go now for how many years?
Okay, may you go.
Okay, may you go. You see, I say your own, not be your choice. Now the goodwill of your oga, now they cause you to go. You see why they talk about responsible youth or for whatever purpose they want me to go do there, they will not send you. You understand? So that's what they be. Except such guidelines say one man, one woman, one youth. Maybe wetin me I go enjoy you go to do when they want do such is youth go dey come out dey talk say make una give one man, one woman, one youth. If you do all of that, no problem.
Okay.
If you see nothing for party, hold on, last something. The party get men's wing, the party get women's wing, the party get youth wing. You understand now? So for APC, the party is well structured along that line. But when it comes to delegates, sometimes you know they be there because of the decision of the National Working Committee. So for me, I will enjoy youth. Make them they insist say if na delegate, it go mean say make them they talk say make one man, one woman. Make them say they consider youth. That be the only thing where they go fit do.
Okay, before we go come out here now and all of that, tension won't be say day for those states as the politics they come now, the election they come now. How you feel say yesterday with the house and that?
Na very simple thing. Yesterday I do one this thing, press statement say security operatives now they must now work very hard.
Must wake up.
They must wake up because of the kind of things and the kind of reports we get every day. Say na so this one happen, na so this one happen.
Oh, na so that one go happen.
Na so that one go happen. So this all the security there must be synergy now. All of them must work together now. And also me, I dey tell our youth. Sometimes they say na we be the leaders of tomorrow. But the problem I say, really, now the youth they lead. The leaders, when my brother just talk about, I say, when you lead reach one stage, you go say, come out, you go come out. Me younger ones, come out, come enter.
If you talk just now,
But
say
yeah,
you don't. Some people just say I don't. They go for me. You still go.
Now what is supposed be ideally, but for Nigeria, they no dey bring one come out safe. Now make you go see say like we talk about youth now, the youth wey we dey talk about. The national youth policy say youth na between 18 to 35. But inside this our political parties for Nigeria, look all their youth leader when they lead the youth wing. Even for Edo State, you go see the ones when they shout say na youth, their children are youth. Their own children wey dem born are youth. It is
Their own children too old to be youth.
thank you. Some of their children no fit even be youth. They don't even fall outside even that bracket. But they say they still be youth leader. So now there be the problem. Now there all this problem for start. Because the old ones, they tell us say we talk about education, whether formal or informal. Education they say that be the key to success. But for Nigeria now, they don't change the law.
Okay.
They don't change the law. So now we talk how we want to do it. Not be say youth no go fit occupy any position.
No, I dey try now say this tension won't be say they come out with 1,000 now.
The tension out to down. Now say we must begin to enlighten our youth. Make them understand say politics not be do or die. Politics not be do or die. So that if you win, you accept am. They must. We will tell
Somebody
them
must
say,
win, somebody must lose.
yes, they make them imbibe the spirit for sportsmanship. If you no win, support who don win. Not be say you go say if I don win this place,
Nobody
people
go
must
win.
die or nobody go win. That one not be spirit of sportsman because we must first realize say all of us will be Edo people. We be brothers. Because now if you because of your election you wan kill everybody, which person you wan come lead? So all these things, and we must tell politicians, because politicians na they use the youth because of wetin hunger and poverty. You know, say when I first start, say a man go fit live with not little, but you no go fit live without anything. Okay. So because of all these things, politicians dey take advantage of all these things. Because for the authority, it's not automatic. So they need one thing to survive. So because this is our leader, they do not say if all of us join parties, whether APC, PDP, and everything, and all of us with our numbers, we feel they united, vote. You go see and say even those positions wey we dey talk, na young people go occupy am, because even then they no get the numbers.
Right. So the same question I go ask you now. So make sure say all this political wahala dey when they around, all of the downs down before the main election. Or when the election come, don't come out, what the person go do?
Now from two perspectives. One na from the youth angle, the other one na from the leaders angle. From the youth angle, make youth try and make them the reason. Make them they get sense. If somebody tell you say go shoot gun, tell them make a carry a picking, put for front, you go follow one for back. Okay. Very simple.
That's why we say hunger there everywhere now. Because you talk about hunger just now. If hunger there now, you don't go think straight to that.
Wait now, you have a choice. That's why I say think.
Okay. Yes.
Me I quickly talk this one. Youth will not get hard work. It never complete. Yeah. I must be very factual here. Oh. If you know say you did politics, go learn trade. Because now the trade never guarantee your food. I don't be local government secretary. I don't spend my money for party. I go make call you for here, call you for there, I go buy fuel for my car, I go move. I don't get money for party. Now sacrifice. But I get hard work according to the grace of God. Now that work, now they put food for my mouth. You see me, they come here yesterday, they feel say I don't tire. Now what when they do? Because if I reach us, I don't tire. Today now if I leave here now, I get other things when I will do. So I get work where they keep me going. Best way you not feed they put food for your mouth, you not go like get your own decision. Two, assuming you never get anything. More start from there, assuming you never get anything. Life never finish. And they read for us before I reach here. People they will take decision at the age of 40. They still become millionaire for their life. So if you be 40, you'll be 45, life never finish. Go and learn something. So that people cannot use you anyhow. That's the kind of youth where they advise me some years. The same thing when my papa tell me that time, now they talk so. Go and learn a trade. Because if you not get work, if somebody say, kill yourself, you cannot kill yourself. Then get sense, make them receive sense. Then from the other angle, for leadership, we want to beg our leaders. Power sweet, but make them remember, say one day all of us go die.
Or power they come up for hand.
Power they come up for hand.
Not the last forever.
As we say we don't go come up for hand, you go die one day. And when the man die, we know some powerful people who don't die for Nigeria. For our president, they put them for inside grave. The man not to say, man, not put them inside grave, or maybe they go bring some of the cars where they carry and go office, where they come put them inside. Let us always remember God. Then what did they know? Say they not go send their children. Maybe they don't send our youth. That's why I said that from two angles. Maybe we need police. Police be human being. Police, we too much stress for police. Need police. If we behave ourselves, job go reduce for police. So we beg our leaders. May they not give people gone. May they not send people who God says will become governor. God don't know the next governor.
Brighton, I will thank you so much for this show here. And Joseph Mbale, thank you so much.
Thank you.
You do well. That's what they do now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We'll take a small break now. Hear the conversation. Obviously, we don't talk about the role of youth for the Nigeria Foundation. What we say a day for Edo State, and we will see Program 2 for the matter when we say concerning the screening and the rest, and the position of politics now for Edo State. We'll take a small break. We'll come back. Yes, we'll continue for ABC. We'll stop. No going anywhere.